This 2017 Forest River Arctic Wolf 255 DRL4 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 29 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleep 6, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, smoke detector, awning, water heater, spare tire kit, LP detector, leveling jacks, refrigerator, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Forest River Arctic Wolf 255 DRL4 is 8,570 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.